Hello my friends, how are y'all doing? Again, let me apologize for it being so long since I put out a video. I've just been so very busy with work, in town, out of town, and more going on than I could keep up with. So I need to apologize for that. But a little while back I had showed y'all a handle that I made, or I don't remember if I showed it to you finished or not. I don't think I did. But it's just a little pull handle that I need that's going to make it easier to reach a dust port gate, a dust gate, a blast gate, a handle, what the heck, okay? And while I'm at it, I'm going to make a little GIF for Andre. Andre from Germany came to visit me a little while back. I'll show you all a clip of that for a second.
Denn
teuerste oder größte?
Und vielleicht mag es ja sogar nicht nur die größte Werkstatt sein, wie ich zumindest gesehen habe, sondern auch die teuerste, auch die abgefahrenste. Ich bin nämlich bei Doug in Texas und Doug habt ihr schon mal gesehen, weil ich habe nämlich ein Video reacted, als Doug quasi eine Workshop-Tour gemacht hat von seiner Werkstatt. Und da habe ich mir gedacht, und viele von euch...
Andre came and did a tour of the shop with me and put out a video on it, plus a few other ones here around town. And he also went to Buc-ee's, and I don't think he put out a video on that. Y'all ought to ask him to show you the video of him at Buc-ee's. But let me get to work on these, and let me show you guys a couple of things. Let's get at it. The handle was mounted right here, guys. I epoxied it onto this rod and connected it onto this dust port so that I could pull it from a distance without having to reach behind the drill press. That's what I made that for. I think I might have showed you all that before. Make a little extension handle so you don't have to reach behind a piece of equipment to get to the port. Well, that kind of port anyway. And out we come. There we go, guys. Now we'll put it back on the lathe and clean it up. Alrighty, my friends. That's sanded up to 1000. Works great, guys. I've got the link listed for the Hut products in the Show More section, guys. Gonna be using 5-minute epoxy here, guys. Part A and Part B. Quick cure made by System 3. Great stuff. Hey my friends, I apologize for not being able to show you the finished bottle opener that I made for Andre. I put a bottle top opener on the end of that little turning, but I forgot to make any video of it. Or if I did, I can't find it. I can't seem to remember. So ask Andre to show it to you. It turned out pretty cool. You can see the handle here, but he's got the finished product over there in Germany. And I hope y'all enjoyed my little short video here. Got a bunch more I'm working on for you, my friends. A lot going on and doing a little work on the RV out front, and of course busy as ever with work. So I've got a few more videos to get working on. Y'all have fun, and I'll see you in a little bit. Bye now.